Today we are going to make 2-ingredient pasta. All you need is flour and water, and salt is optional. Pour your sifted flour out onto the table and create a well to accept the rest of the ingredients. Once you add the water and the seasonings into the well, go ahead and start to incorporate the water and the flour together using small circular motions with 2 fingers. Every gram of flour that you start out with should be incorporated into the dough. So keep working and gathering up your flour until the dough is finished. Knead the dough for about 5 to 7 minutes. Once the dough is finished, it should be smooth and supple, and wrap it in plastic wrap and let it rest on the table for a half an hour. After the dough has rested, dust your table with a little bit of flour and dust the dough with a little bit of flour and proceed to roll out. Don't forget to dust your rolling pin with a little flour also to prevent sticking. Once you have rolled the dough out as thin as you like, dust it with a little flour and fold it in thirds. You can place it on a cutting board and cut with a knife, or you can cut it directly on the stainless steel counter using a bench scraper. Once you're done cutting your noodles, go ahead and dust them with a little bit of flour. Have a pot of salted boiling water on the stove. These noodles only take 2 to 3 minutes to cook or until they float.